Ultraviolet light is invisible rays of sunlight which can be the arch enemy of human skin. In particular, ultraviolet A waves, called UVA, which comprise 90 to 95% of ultraviolet light, can destroy collagen, causing wrinkles and skin sagging by photoaging. Our product, Caprêve, has achieved a protection grade of UVA PFA 11.8. This epoch-making figure goes far beyond accustomed standards for a sunscreening product which does not use powders like zinc or titanium oxides. Besides A waves, ultraviolet light which reaches the ground contains B waves which can cause sunburn. Our product, Caprêve UV-AB Protector, can be regarded as the ultimate solution for ultraviolet light, effectively protecting against both ultraviolet A and B waves. Next, we will show you the difference between conventional UV care products and our Caprêve UV-AB Protector using a cross-section view of human skin tissue. Take a look at this cross-section of skin tissue. It shows the UV preventative effects of conventional UV care products. Conventional UV care products are blended with UVA absorbent, or UV scattering agent, which ultraviolet light bounces off. However, this UVA absorbent is difficult to dissolve with other solutions, and it crystallizes. For this reason, only a limited amount can be blended. UV scattering agent is a powder. It has microscopic spaces when applied to the skin, allowing UVA to penetrate. This diagram shows how UVA absorbent is scattered. The blue line shows A waves, and you can see that most of the A waves are passing through, between the UVA absorbent, reaching deep into the dermis of the skin, where it will destroy collagen and elastin. So its UVA protective effect is limited. This next diagram explains the effectiveness of our UV-AB protector, which Omotesando Bihara Cosmetics has succeeded in developing. Caprêve's UV-AB protector has solved all the shortcomings of conventional products by introducing an oil solution, esterol 26, with the capability of dissolving UVA absorbent evenly. Both the ultraviolet A on the left and the ultraviolet B to the right will be absorbed, partly being bounced off. As shown in the diagram, the skin is strongly guarded by the UV-AB protector. The ultraviolet rays never reach the skin tissue. Let's compare the ingredients of our UV-AB protector to conventional UV products. This sphere-shaped image represents the structure of conventional UV care products. Note how the UVA absorbent is scattered. Since UVA absorbent is crystallized when more than a certain amount is blended, technical limitations allow only limited amounts to be combined. As a result, ultraviolet A intrudes into the skin, allowing both the UVA and B absorbents to contact the skin directly. This direct contact may cause skin damage. The next illustration shows the structure of UV-AB protector, commercialized by Omotesando Bihara Cosmetics. The novel oil solution esterol 26 firmly envelops both UVA and UVB absorbents. Thanks to this solution, a substantial amount of UVA absorbent may be blended, allowing complete protection from ultraviolet A. And since it avoids direct contact with the skin, there is no possibility of causing skin damage. A simple test will demonstrate the remarkable degree of effectiveness of our product. We have prepared black light which emits light with the same wavelength as ultraviolet light, a picture card for the verification of ultraviolet light, the highest level UV care products currently available on the market, and our new product, UV-AB Protector, Caprêve. This light is called LED black light. While the wavelength of A waves is in the range of 315 to 400 nanometers, the wavelength of this light is set at 375 nanometers. On this card, a picture by Hokusai is printed with special ink so that the image only appears when it is exposed to ultraviolet light. Now we put these two slides together. They are simple glass slides, so ultraviolet light passes through them. As you can see, Hokusai's picture appears clearly. Now we will show you the UVA cut performance of some of the other companies' products. Here we have a sunscreen product with a protective value of PA++, the highest figure available commercially in Japan. You'd expect it to provide complete protection. Let's see how it works by putting this product between the prepared slides and irradiating them with the LED black light. Let's see if the hoped-for effect is realized. As you can see clearly, the product does not provide complete protection. Here is another sunscreen product with similar recognized numerical values. Let's see how it works. Again, it appears to allow a fairly large amount of ultraviolet light to pass through. Now let's put this material containing ultraviolet absorbent, the novel substance esterol 26, in between the glass slides. As it looks transparent, you might think it would easily let ultraviolet light pass. But as you can see, surprisingly, the ultraviolet light has been cut almost completely. We've showed you the effect of our groundbreaking sunscreen, Caprêve UVAB Protector. The exposure to ultraviolet light has been cut almost completely, offering optimal protection against the sun's harmful rays. The epoch-making UV protection found in Caprêve UVAB Protector represents the most advanced approach for skin protection, cutting UVAB light with no direct contact with the skin.